We need to welcome the people back to the channel. It's fucking hot as shit. I've already started cursing and it's not even 5 seconds in. Redo. Welcome back to the channel. We're working on, well, you've already read the title, so we're working on the Big Bear. What are we doing exactly?
Who knows? I got a bunch of parts that we finally need to go through and more or less get a game plan. We finally got the frame back. You may or may not, if you watch some of our other videos, may have seen it in the background, but it's not been officially, I guess, released, shown, whatever you want to say. We haven't shown you guys directly yet, so that's definitely coming up. And so we need to go through parts and probably start tearing on the motor today. Hopefully the motor's still good.
Yeah. Roll intro.
So amongst some inspections, look at this. That is some JB weld, and it is cracked right there. So that's got to be fixed. This is cast aluminum, is what it looks like. So got a guy who might be able to weld this up for us. So issue number 1 addressed. Let's get this tigged up. We'll get this cleaned up and get that off to the shop to get tigged. And I guess I'll pick back up as we continue to go through parts. Sorry, I know this is kind of like the boring part of a build, but it's part of the build, so we're gonna film it. We'll let you know. I think we're gonna start tearing off this one a little bit. Figure out kind of what's going on inside there. So also, like I said, I'll show you I'll show you guys the frame here in just a bit. So see you guys in a second. So here is the frame, and it doesn't look all that special right now. And you know what? I'm not gonna do that to you guys. I'm gonna unveil it. I'm gonna unveil it right. Give me 1 second. Snap into it now. Okay, this may still not look anything special, but there's a heavy flake in that powder. Sorry, the sun is you know, the death ray of our solar system's brightest star. Don't check me on, that's probably absolutely wrong. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so this has got the heavy flake in there. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if you can see that, but it's bougie like the rest of our stuff. But we did a heavy flake white powder, and so that's gonna be pretty much our premises, because everything we do, you know, is black, white, or gray, because we're basic. So there she is in all of her glory, and that's our foundation. So I guess we'll pick back up working on the motor. See you guys in a second. So we got our little battery for direct power, and you've hooked this up with that being grounded to the motor. And then he's gonna take this guy, and we're gonna see if the starter works, and I guess check this.
Well, it spins over, so that means it's not rusted up. Let's see if we got
checking compression or what?
Yeah.
Sound like bouncy balls.
It's got decent compression.
That actually didn't sound bad at all, did it?
No, it didn't.
That's all. Is that not bad?
Whoa, we got some oil coming out there, big dog.
We're pumping oil.
Right there.
Oh yeah, just a good heap.
So I guess the oil pump's working.
The oil pump's working, so that's good. Well, I mean, it might run. We just have to figure out what it was doing with Dakota. It could be a carburetor issue, could be an issue with the head or the valves. With it having good compression though.
So with that having good compression, what we can do now is go through here in the head, right? And then check the valve and everything?
Yeah, we can check the valves for valve clearance.
Right here? Yeah. Okay.
And then from that point, maybe we can try to
big bore it.
Half-ass put the wiring harness on, just the essentials, and where it'll get spark, and spray a little spray in there, and maybe get it to fire off on the bench. Oh, so did I not check the valves? Maybe.
What are you doing here, Aaron? What do you got this little cap popped here for? And I see you got a screwdriver here.
Yeah. Normally you have a recoil starter on here, but I think this one's missing or broke or something like that. That light is incredibly bright. So basically,
don't look into the light.
Don't look at the light. Look at the camera, but not the light. Pull this plug here, and I'm gonna rotate it around until I find the timing mark.
It looks like this little light is helping us at least.
It's like a work.
Yeah, it's a work light. You just passed something. There it is. Aha! You found something. T. Does that make a T? It does. You can.
Yeah, there's also another one that says F.
For fuck this machine.
Yeah. I'm not really sure what F is, but maybe I can look it up. But
in other news, while you're doing that, we gotta get rehydrated here with some. Oh, is this a new natter day? Oh, that is quite delicious. Pineapple lemonade. Not a sponsor. Yet. This is where it gets kind of challenging. I've got to hold the camera and work
and judge where you're
at the same time. Did we get it?
Yeah, that's it.
That sounded solid.
Yep. Bingo. Oh, like it's good.
Hey, stupid question.
I feel like we're just trying to film here and just everybody just wants to.
We're just trying to.
How can we sabotage this video?
No, it doesn't matter.
It does.
You're good.
The bolt should have gone through from the front. If this is the front of the machine, it should have gone this way.
Gotta switch it, bud.
You don't have to. If you got it through, then it is what it is. But because Justin likes his bolts in uniform,
It doesn't have to. You're just being shy.
I would have paid attention and just done it the way the top one is.
It's the bottom.
Which he's in training.
He's.
Put the top one in.
But I'll tell you one thing. He's definitely not a mechanic.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
I don't know why they would put that in there.
There we go. Now we're on the.
And that's loose.
Yeah.
So is that supposed to be loose?
Yes. Well, it's supposed to have some play, but we'll have to put the feeler gauges on it to determine how much. But yeah, that's how you'll know if you're on the intake or the exhaust stroke. In the exhaust stroke, these will be tight. You won't be able to move it. And the intake stroke, they'll be loose. Tap dance.
Okay, so feeler gauges now?
Over here.
I don't think we have those, do we?
Mm-hmm. Somewhere. I used them on that brute force. I just don't know what I did with them. I might have taken them home. I'm like, oh! Got
Holy
them.
hell.
What's the specs?
I don't know, like 5.
5, 1, 9. Normally,
It's one of the Bifidas.
it's on like the airbox lid or some part of something.
Oh, I found something on that note. Come around here. What is it on that sticker?
Oh yeah, that's not my grip. Valve lash. Intake valve, 0.06 to 0.1. Exhaust valve, 0.16 to 20. So we'll start with the intake valve, 0.06 to 10. So this is a lot easier doing this on a motor that's out on a bench.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and feeler gauge all this, and then we'll come back and revisit it and pick back up from that point. So we'll see you in just a second. All right, so took the side cover off here. We had a lot of RTV we had to clean off. As you see, there's still some there, so little pieces here. So unfortunately, that's pretty much what this whole video is organizing and cleaning. Again, I'm sorry, but like I said, this kind of stuff we have to get to so we can start getting the cool stuff. As you see, here's obviously the side cover. Still gotta come through here, get some of the gasket, silly goose to put the gasket and RTV, which, I mean, I'm more or less one of those, if you're gonna do it, do one or the other. But gotta get the wheels and tires off, take the tires off the wheels, go get those media blasted, and then those are gonna get some kind of coating, so stick around for that. Obviously, frame's already coated.
A year ago. So it's only like a year old.
He's all excited because the Polaris running again.
They were like, well,
This silly goose is trying to get the paint off the plastics, and I don't think it's gonna work.
coming off. Slowly.
Barely though. So more cleaning, and more cleaning. So there's that. But I think, like I said, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Again, I apologize that it's not over the top, nothing really interesting. But like I said, it's kind of like these kind of videos I hate putting out, but like at the same time, I don't want to miss anything in a build process, so that's why we're doing it. With that being said, if you made it this far, we appreciate it, and we'll see you definitely on the next one. If you enjoyed this video, at least as far as the process goes, please like. If this is a new video, go check out some of our other videos. I promise a little more entertaining, a little more upbeat. Subscribe up. We greatly appreciate all the love and support that you guys continue to give us. We're almost to 1,000. Help us along, get us there, guys. We definitely appreciate it. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. And God, I'm sorry, I've got like motocross deal going in the background here. But again, you made it this far, we appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.
Subscribe to our OnlyFans where you can catch some more of this.
Don't need it. I definitely don't need it.
Oh, you need it.
I need a fucking pull right now.
Oh, fuck, that's what I need.